Here's where I seen the snakes last time.
Crikey, mate. There might be some snakes down here. Freaking crikey, mate.
Oh, bloody hell. And then you got the Irish guy. Top of the morning to you, laddie. Look at all these snails. Everywhere. Oh, almost falling in. Snake was right in there last time. So as I was talking about snakes, they finally seen me. Oh yeah. I'm happy now. That'd be pretty nice guys here. Yeah, he's like, come mess with me, I'm in my... He was just relaxing, I'm gonna leave him be though. What caught my eye is that. This shed. Beautiful looking little snake. I figured I'd see another water snake. And what was cool about this one, now it's back in the corner because it feels threatened by me. And you can see there's two. There's the mom and there's the little baby. I'll leave it be though. Let them chill and enjoy their day.